Look at the skyline over there, the white one.
Where am I at? Oh, I see it.
All these people are heading out.
What's that?
All of those people that were just standing there all just got up and started to
Huh. I don't know.
But they all look
No, they're probably doing her lap.
Watch, Colton.
There's a light
Is it?
over there. Careful. Nice. It's got a supercharger
Yep.
on it, but-
Turbo. In pieces.
Without a motor in it.
Nice sign, huh?
See that sticker? Hey, just say. I don't think
I'm
you
not
should say it
reading
out
it.
loud. Oh, whisper in my ear.
What is it?
God, dude, that thing sounds
Grabbed
like
by the pussy.
And it looked like a car right out of the movie Cars.
Right there.
Was that guy that got busted with Trump?
Oh,
Was that his car?
he wants some more, Grammy. That's that.
KR.
Is that a KR?
Had the big badge on the side. I don't know if it really was.
He's never really had anything sweet tonight, so.
See, mine doesn't sound like that. It's just a constant.
Yeah.
And I know they'll give me a two thing.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna be a two thing.
An old Jeep. That's an old one.
Yeah.
I want to see her let it happen. I want to see this one like this American.
I want to see him
Dude,
walk.
that thing sounds just like the GTO.
Dad, let's give it to Daddy.
Thank you.
That's not Daddy. That's Papa. He's eating the sugar.
Arrow sounds pretty good.
That thing sounded wicked. That sounded just like my GTO.
No, I'm happy to be
Yeah.
Thank you.
Look at that exhaust.
This old one.
Oh. There he goes.
What do you do?
That
burn
Chevy
out.
turned up and there he went.
Was that truck?
Yeah, what
Yep.
was that red one? Got him right
Look at this new Subi.
Yeah. Oh, and look at the STI.
He already yanked
That's the team racing color. So let's dump it underneath.
It's probably the wastegate.
I like the one that has them welds. Black with the polished centers. That looks good.
That indentation just from his hiney.
What? Down.
Sit on the ground, Happy.
Oh.
Can we sit down with you?
welcome to Revan Auto 717. It's about 7:30 in the morning. As you can see, it rained last night, really good. I was trying to get things ready for Carlisle events that is going on this weekend. It was all 4 nationals, so I'm trying to get everything ready. I did not have time to wash the car. It was raining off and on all week, which really sucked. So I'm going to try to pull the car out here. I have it really jammed in right now, doing a lot of stuff right now, so I'm going to try to push it out, and then going to try to give it a quick bath, and then get some shots of that, and then we will head up. I'm going to take my son with me, and we are going to go up to Carlisle. Hey guys, my wife was awesomely enough to get me some car products from the chemical guys, so I'm going to do a little review on it later, but I'm going to try to wash the car with my new gun and see how it works. It doesn't really look too bad in the video here, but actually in person it's really dirty. So I'm going to try to just get some of the coat off of it. It's mostly just like wood dust and stuff like that from sitting in here and collecting all the dust around it. So I'm going to try to spray that off, and then I'm going to bring some spray wax and everything along with me, and then I'll spray wax it when I get there to the show. So I'm just going to do this, and then I will kind of show you a little bit of shots. Looking really good. Just to run down on what is done if you're new to the channel. It has an MMR 900 motor in it with a D1 Procharger, making around 12 to 14 pounds of boost, 15 I guess on the really high end. Has a built T45 with 410 rear gears, has an 03 Cobra seats in it, has the SVT, or I guess Air Force gauge with the SVT logo in it. Then it has the boost gauge over there. Car has 89,000 miles on the body and about 12,000 miles on the motor build, and then about 2,000 miles on the Procharger. It has a MagnaFlow MagnaPack catback exhaust with a off-road H-pipe and BBK equal length headers. Sounds very good. It has a 400 milliliter fuel pump in it, and it has 60-pound injectors. Has a little odds and ends stuff here and there. Just put new brakes on it. If you saw it in a video recently, I did new brakes all the way around. You can see in the front, I did went a little custom with on my. You can see in a video a post up here in the right hand corner for that. So I did that, and then I also put in brand new Cobra headlights in the front. So yeah, that's pretty much the what's done to it so far. Really nice car, really fun, reliable. Makes in the mid 500 horsepower range. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to go. Actually have some parts that I'm going to sell to a guy, and we'll try to see if I can get rid of them. So let's go for it. Well, about halfway to Carlisle here. Car's running good. Actually have my son in the back. He's passed out sleeping. So just about there. Probably going to be stuck in traffic for a while. To get out a little bit later than I really wanted to. So probably going to go up there and then see what I want to do. If I want to put the car in the show, or if I just want to park and then just be a spectator for the day. So I'm going to cut it here, and I'll next video will be when I get there. Hey guys, so just got back from all 4 nationals. You can see the car in the background here. I'll do a walk around, but just had a good time. It was starting to get really cloudy up there, so I just decided I was gonna head on home. Didn't really want to risk having to drive in the rain. So yeah, so now I'm going to just kind of relax a little bit, and then I'm meeting the wife tonight for some dinner and some beer tasting. So it should be pretty good. So I'm gonna pull the Mustang in here, and gonna go chill and talk to you guys later on tonight. Hey guys, welcome back. I do apologize, didn't really get too much footage at all 4 nationals with my son being there. Got a little bit of footage, not too much. Didn't really get to talk too much, just kind of was showing some pictures of some cars and some videos and stuff like that. So probably not going to be the best footage, but it is what it is. Might actually go up tomorrow morning, not sure yet. I do have the car registered for the show field, so if it's nice, I might go back. I kind of left the only reason because it was starting to get pretty cloudy, and I just didn't want to risk getting caught in the thunderstorm. And of course, back home, which is like probably 45 minutes away, it's like beautiful out. I mean, it's blue clouds and everything, but I mean, there is some clouds in the distance. So it did say around 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock this afternoon, it was supposed to give like a 50% chance of rain. So I think it was a good call on my part. So we'll just kind of hope for the best, and I'll try to touch base with you guys later tonight on just a little bit more of what's going on the channel. So we'll stay tuned. Bye. You can see I got the car put away. It's pretty tight right now. Got a lot of wood projects going on. Actually had a really good time with my son. A little bonding experience, I guess you call it. Put him out on the way there, and then put him out on the way home. So must be pretty nice sounding car for a 2-year-old basically to fall asleep. I was able to sell some things. I had a couple odds and ends, some bolt and subframe connectors, an extra gauge cluster, and my old headlights that I had. I sold all those, so that is all gone. My next thing that I need to do is put all this stuff on, and though I can get rid of all the stuff that's currently in it. And yeah, but the wife got me a whole new car wash kit. It's the Chemical Guys car wash kit. So I kind of did a little bit on that. I might do like a review and just kind of go everything that I got in the kit. I believe the kit costs like $100 with everything. So in a different video, I'll probably just go through everything that I got and just kind of see if I like it or not, and just kind of do a review and go from there. So I do appreciate it. And I'll probably talk to you guys later tonight and just kind of get you guys up to speed on everything. And the truck is probably going to start working on the long tubes this week. So stay tuned for that as well. I know that's been a long time coming. And yeah. So the truck currently just has the stock manifolds with the stock cats, and the passenger side cat, I believe, is almost clogged. So it gets pretty hot and it actually turns a little red at night. You can kind of see it glow a little bit. So it definitely needs to be changed. It definitely is down on power, and the fuel economy right now is kind of shitty. It's like about 9 or 10. And usually before it was around 13, 14. So definitely the fuel economy definitely went down on this thing. So I'll probably be getting those out here shortly and start seeing what all I need to do and start tearing stuff apart and getting at it. So, but yeah, so I'm going to kind of stop it here and I'm going to go and enjoy some time with my son and get ready then to go out tonight. So I'll talk to you guys later.